Bitcoin attempting to break resistance at $95,000 right this second as whale money continues to move into the market. Right now, whales are at a value of about 89. There's not much room for them to move up, but it won't take much in order to create a short squeeze. If this happens, I think we could easily hit $96,900, nearly $97,000 this weekend. But we need to be careful because as soon as whale money drops out of the market, and guys, I think it's going to happen soon, we are likely to see the price drop. Whales are taking advantage of retail traders and are likely to use them as exit liquidity. So be ready for a drop. If you are betting on a short squeeze happening, set your buy limits in case of a drop and get ready for the next move. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. And I want to let you know before we get started, the indicators I'm about to show you are on sale right now. Our spring sale is live. Get up to $650 off our indicators right now, and the sale is going to end May 2nd. Also, we have a brand new future forecast out for our members posted today, April 25th. XLM is set to outperform XRP. Here's why we bought more, and you're going to want to get the 2025 altcoin profit spreadsheet located right here for our members. You're not going to want to miss this. A few days ago, Travis came across a chart he's never seen before, and it lines up perfectly with what prophetic voices have been saying. XLM is about to take off and could even outperform XRP. Travis is going to show you evidence of this, along with 6 ultra bullish charts showing that a major surge is coming, why gold and silver still deserve a spot in your portfolio, where Bitcoin might reverse back down, and a fresh spreadsheet to help you project your altcoin gains into 2025. This is going to be a fantastic future forecast episode, 45 minutes almost to the dot, packed with prime information. With that in mind, guys, let's get started. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame. We're going to be looking at the 4-hour and the weekly as well, so stay tuned. And we're trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Right now, we see bearish signals from the price versus well money flow and trades in favor indicators. And as soon as we see a red candle close, I'm willing to bet we're going to get a sell signal, which most often calls market tops. The combination of these 3 indicators, price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, and a sell signal, creates that bearish trifecta. This is where we see price moves down. And when looking for entries, we want to see the opposite. With price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, and a buy or strong buy signal, just as we see here, to indicate ideal candle entries. Whale money is the main determining factor of where the price goes. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. It really is as simple as that. So when whale money is moving into the market, the price rises. But when the whale money is moving out of the market, the price drops. When whale money is at the top, it is overbought and they're likely to sell out. But what's happening right now is a series of short squeezes. It happened right here where we saw a major pump in price. Short squeezes happen when whales purposely liquidate a bunch of short traders at a certain level. So now that the short traders are liquidated and there's more bullish pressure, less bearish pressure in the market, the price is allowed to rise. At the same time, those that were liquidated try and recoup their losses, entering long trades to try and catch any gains they can. And this is what creates a short squeeze, the combination of whales buying and liquidating short traders, and short traders trying to recoup their losses and buying again. As the price increases, this is where whales actually begin to sell out of the market, taking advantage of those short traders that bought in at the top and using them as exit liquidity. The name of the game is buying low, selling high, and whales are the masters of this. So they're going to try and take the market where they can then buy back in again and repeat the process over and over again. As long as we stay above a value of $83,088 for our next move, this creates a higher low formation, and this would continue the uptrend. An uptrend that I think could easily take us to a new all-time high above $109,358. Guys, it's possible we could see a new all-time high, $110,000 in May. This is what I want everyone to be ready for. If you decide to make an entry at the current price looking for a short squeeze, you're going to want to be very rigorous in your risk management. And personally, I would be setting a buy limit right above 86,600 in order to catch any drops. This would be a fantastic buy entry if the price continues upwards in an uptrend. Now, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion, how I would look to trade something like this. But if you're wanting to wait for a potential entry, if you're not wanting to take the risk right now because the lower time frames are bearish right now too, you're going to want to look for a bullish trifecta here on the 4 hour to catch your next entry. Buy signal, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, move up. Strong buy, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, move up. Buy, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, move up. 1, 2, 3, move up. You're going to see it repeatedly. So I bet you can't guess what we're looking for on our next entry. That's right. Another price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and a buy signal. Regardless of structure supports, those are the 3 indicator signals that we're looking for. And we're actually going to set alerts on the 4 hour because I want to make sure you don't miss this opportunity. You can see we already have these alerts set for the daily time frame. Let's set them for the 4 hour. We're going to switch to the trades in favor, watch for pump, once per bar close, and name it. Bitcoin 4 hour watch for pump, click create. Next alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder. This time it'll be a buy signal right here, once per bar close, and name it. Bitcoin 4 hour buy, click create. And last will be under the TC top and bottom finder again. This time strong buy, once per bar close, and name it. Bitcoin 4 hour strong buy, click create, and these 3 alerts are going to help you find that next bullish trifecta. Watch for pump alert means that the trades in favor has closed in the long trade zone. Downwards momentum has run out or likely to bounce to the upside. Buy or strong buy alert means we've received a buy or strong buy signal on our chart. This could be an ideal candle entry point. If any of these 3 alerts post, be sure to check your other indicators to see if you have or are close to creating a bullish trifecta for a potential entry. As I said, 4 hour and daily is a little bit bearish, but the weekly long-term outlook is still highly bullish. Right here, let me set this chart more accurately. There we go. Whale money has plenty of room to move into the market today, or at least this week. Whales are considered to be selling, and this is where a higher low formation come into play, or may come into play to be more exact. But whale money flow is still low. We got a buy signal. We got trades in favor low. This is where we see massive moves up. When the weekly time frame gets a bullish trifecta, massive moves should be incoming. And it's only a matter of time before we hit that all-time high. This is where I think we could hit $110,000 in May. With that in mind, I want you guys to have these indicators loaded up on your charts. And if you haven't purchased them yet, now is the best time to do it with our spring live sale happening. This ends May 2nd, so snag them as soon as possible. If we scroll down, this trader earned $4,300 in a week with them. This person used them to earn $9,000 with their account up 39%. This person made $2,100 in 3 days. This person's first 3 trades were $500, $5,200, and $4,300, and it just keeps going. If you want similar performance, you need these indicators loaded up on your chart, so you're not going to want to miss the spring sale. If you are an active trader, be sure to watch the future forecast as soon as possible. If you want to get the maximum discount, access to those future forecast tradings, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts, all you need to do is head to the links in the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is going to be the second link. Less than $50 to get started, 25% off your first month there. Head to the indicator tab. Pro indicator pack is what you're looking for, but don't forget to snag this coupon code here for your first $250 off. Click Pro indicator pack. Click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $650 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for today's future forecast episode and the spring sale. Don't miss out.